Okay, hi guys, we're back with knife review. So today's star is Shun Premier 8-inch chef's knife. So Shun's got many lines, like they've got Sora, they've got Premier, they've got Classic. For this knife, it's a Premier that's costing around $200 on Amazon. And if you see on the blade, you can see all those little holes in here. And these are made because they're hand hammered. So when they're being made, you can see all those Damascus patterns. These patterns form because the steels were being folded multiple times and then pressed. So if you see here, you can see all those wavy lines. That signifies it's Damascus steel. So if you have ever used Santoku knives, you might have noticed that they have scalloped granite edges that traps air in and pushes the food outward so it doesn't stick to the blade. So these clattered pattern does the same thing, similar thing. It reduces the friction and pushes the food outward so it doesn't stick to the blade. And the balance is quite, see how it's very well balanced. Okay, why don't we get started cutting something? We are not being sponsored or being paid for any products on this review. We're doing it for our own contents, for our own videos, and we wanted to share with you guys how the knives work. Let's go.